I did a burpee like the other week and
Just one?
yeah, one. It's all good until the hammers come out.
That's what they always say. It's all good.
Oh.
Ooh. Okay, so I'm here with Yvette. We just got done filming a little style tips video. You should have either seen it as my last video or maybe it's the next one you'll see after this. Either way, Yvette has been helping me, you know, figure out how to style my activewear, which is what I wear like every day, in a way that is more appropriate for real life. Because, okay, I have a story. Apparently, my gym outfits are not, you know, I guess, what's the word? Appropriate for day to day. And the way I recently found this out is through some of the comments in like Beau's videos with me and like my girlfriends.
Does it hurt your heart?
I mean, no, I mean, it's fine. But then I read enough comments to make you like think about it, think twice about it. So I live a super isolated life. I don't like go to like a job, you know, I'm home all the time, or I go to the gym, and in the gym it's fine. And then I hang out with a lot of girls like you and like all my fit girls who are like fitness chicks who wear the same stuff as I do. So I never really thought anything of what I wear regularly, but I think it's all making sense now, the looks.
We don't all look like that in our gym clothes. So
I think it's a little much.
It's just all in how you wear it, and you know, just trying to find fun pieces that complement you and still be you, but not have to be a little too, hey girl,
Hi,
you're
I'm
out.
out here.
Yeah.
But seriously though, this is like news to me.
Yeah.
I don't think I really ever thought about it or thought anything of it and realized that it was like, you know, maybe a little too much. But so Yvette has really helped me
bring it all together.
bring
You
it
can
together. Yeah.
Put a couple pieces together to still definitely keep it you, but really want to accentuate the body without doing too much.
Without doing too much. But anyways, so speaking of those chiropractic videos, have you ever gotten a chiropractic adjustment before?
Oh, I
No?
haven't.
Oh, you know what that means. You down?
I'm down.
You down?
I'm scared, but I'm down.
You're gonna love it. It's gonna be, everybody's scared at first,
I know,
obviously,
like-
because it's shocking, right? But yeah, it'll be fun. Let's go. Want to go?
Let's
now?
do it.
Let's do it now.
Let's
okay,
go.
let's do it. Hello.
Duplicate names.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
I brought.
Greetings and salutations.
This is Yvette.
Hi.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Beau.
This is Greg.
Hello,
Okay.
hello.
Nice to meet
Pleasure
you.
to meet you.
So she is here to try her very first chiropractic.
You never had one?
adjustment.
Oh man.
I know.
She's
I'm
nervous. So
yeah.
she went to Tony Robbins, and apparently he swears by it.
Yeah.
So she's ready.
You said all the good stuff, so I was like, okay. I'm done.
All right, we're gonna do it
Yeah,
this
it's
time.
happening. Yeah.
So what do you have going on?
Try and do my hips, just
Yeah.
because I feel like I feel like an imbalance, and then maybe my neck.
Okay.
I think that's.
Gonna live a little, huh?
Yeah. Is it
Alright.
hurt? I'm scared.
It's loud.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Don't
Also-
scare her.
It's close to your ears, so it's loud.
Yeah.
Okay. Turn your head that way all the way. Ooh. Yeah, to the left all the way. So it's harder. It's harder to go to the
I
right.
know. I'm like.
Yeah. And back to center, and look up to the ceiling. And then down all the way. That's hard. Does that pull down your upper back?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right shoulder.
How do you know?
Being judged.
I know.
Sore right in that spot?
Yes.
Yeah, about there.
I did a burpee like the other week, and
Just one.
yeah, one, and I
That's
fell wrong, and like when I landed, I was like walking out like a.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I think.
All crooked.
Yeah, I'm over burpees. We broke up a long time ago.
Yeah, I'm old. I don't do any of that. Alright, lay on your back. That's pretty good actually. Alright, let's cover that left side first. So we're gonna go right there.
God, that's so loud.
Totes but goats.
That was so cool.
You good?
Yeah.
She's
Not very
silent.
attractive. Just like, don't want to move.
I like that.
You like
make
it?
it
Yeah,
taller.
that was cool.
I don't mind the smogginess.
Alright, 2 for 1.
felt that in my
You felt like it all where?
Like I'm down in my spine.
Nice.
Well,
Everyone feels it where they're supposed to feel it.
except for you?
Except for me.
That means you're broken on the inside. Mostly emotionally, but
Heart as dark as your pockets.
Squeeze your legs together real hard. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Okay, good. All right, let's get your ankles. Some people got good angles. Some people got good ankles. Good. Good. Easy peasy.
It's all about that contour.
Contour. Is that an O-U-R?
Yeah.
All right, go on your side facing this way.
Facing you?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's get up to the edge. False information. All right, go there. Go back this way. You are mic'd up.
Amazing.
I love that one.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Come back this way. And scoot all the way to the edge. So this is the hip one. So Tony Robbins said what now?
He was saying that this is just like such an amazing thing to do for yourself that a lot of people don't take advantage of and realize how beneficial it is for your body.
Right, and how good it feels being lined up, and yeah. You just walk around like this all day.
I'm like this for me.
You're like, well, I stay in shape, you know, I dress well, but I am a little bit Quasimodo-ish in the spine, so go ahead and sit up. Let's go all the way up. All right, go sassy hip. So pull this elbow straight back. Pull.
Back?
Pull, pull, pull. Harder, harder, harder. All the power. I'm good there. And check this side. And here. There we go. Pull back. Pull, pull, pull. Okay. All right, we'll stand up. Let's face this direction. So both hands go right here. Deep breath. And blow out. Very good.
That's my favorite.
So both hands there. So
I'm a new one.
so you go like this. Okay. Scoot right here. Hold it under. Look up a little bit. Oh, already stole them all.
You stole them.
Crack supreme. All right, we'll sit right here, face that way. See which hammer. Yeah,
What about the slow one?
Like, get the little one.
So pick the smaller one.
I know, I was like, it's all good until the hammers come out.
That's what they always say. It's all good. It was all fun and games till Chucky got up. Chucky, get up. Get him, Chucky.
So is this what MC Hammer was talking about all those years ago?
Yeah, it's a combination of MC Hammer and MC Escher.
Nice.
That's the artist, right?
Yeah. Not the one formerly known as Prince, though. All right. Lean straight back. Straight back. Straight back. Perfect. Okay. Let's go up front here. Both arms are going to open up all the way like this. And go as far back as you can with that right arm.
Oh.
And the left arm now. This one's tighter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, we'll go right there. Keep going back with it. Keep going. Keep going. And further. There it goes. Keep going. Further, further, further. A little more. Beautiful. Okay. And take it back again.
I'm like,
Oh, you're like,
All of my fans.
see this?
Okay, reach back one more time. There we go. Keep going back. Keep going back. Good. Yeah, definitely opened up. All right.
range of motion.
So look,
Yeah.
look.
I'm gonna go do a burpee right now.
Ooh, I'll do it right now. I'll do one burpee. All right. Turn your head to the right.
Never again.
You're still not where I want it to be. Go left all the way. And back to center. Where do you feel like it's restricting you? Is it here? Is it here? Where's it stopping you when you try to look to the right?
Probably right here.
Yeah. All right. So push your neck straight back. Right there.
Yeah.
Keep pushing back. Okay. Look right again. Better that time?
Yes.
Okay. So push straight back again. And push straight back again. And shoulder blade back. Good. Look right again.
the sound. Sorry. Okay.
Better.
Oh, yeah, that is
Really locked up on the top of the trap here. There it is.
Oh wow.
Woosah, woosah, woosah. Talk us through this.
It's really, really tight.
Yvette. Eee.
Ouch.
Yvette.
Yvette.
Oh my god.
There it goes. Put that clearing.
Yeah.
Okay, look straight down. And back to center. And down. And center. And down. Good. Okay. Go right here. Yeah. His first ribs are out. Good. Okay, look straight ahead right here. About right there. Pretty tight.
Yeah.
How does that feel, Yvette?
You're growing a horn right here. Feel that bump?
Yeah.
You don't look at computers or phones very often, do you? There it goes. Feel that in your brain?
Yeah.
Up in the front, yep. There it is. Excellent.
Now I just look like this tousled beach right?
Tossles.
Awesome.
They've been tossled around.
Okay, look straight up. All the way up. Look to the ceiling. Keep going. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up. All the way up.
All the
Nothing
way
can
up.
stop you. You're all the way up. What a bunch of dorks we are, huh? Get back to center. And look to the left all the way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. A little further. There we go. And then go right all the way. And keep going. A little further. There it goes. Keep going. All the way around the corner.
Nice.
A little
Look at
further.
that.
Show them your owl wisdom.
You're like fucking exorcist over here.
The spin doctor.
Power of Christ compels you.
Jesus.
All right, look up again. All the way up. There we go. And down. How's that feel? That feels lighter?
So much better.
Dr. G-Ray, can I have you do some wrists?
What happened?
Wrists and
I
thumbs.
might need these. That's a good one. These are good. Let's check here. Let's try this one. Dun, 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 dun. That one's actually pretty good. Yeah, just that wrist.
Check the scapulas too.
Which one?
Scapulas.
Relax here. Deep breath in, breathe out.
Yep.
Get this one. So you didn't think you had any more in you, did you? Deep breath
Oh,
in,
there's more.
breathe out. Okay.
Some
Put on that one
scaps.
too. All right.
Last one.
So this will be the easy one. Just touch your stomach, rotate out like this. Just relax there. Keep doing that back and forth.
Like this. Sit you back.
The robot.
Exactly.
Get it, get it, get it.
Nice and relaxing here.
Ow!
Tap your stomach, then rotate out. This is the advanced robot. Try to relax your shoulder up here. There we go.
Good. I was stuck in
You can do it.
Robot.
Try to rotate out a couple more times and back in.
Robot, cyborg, android, you know.
All the same. Are you awake now?
I know.
It's like, this is the worst spot ever.
This is the worst one.
Yeah.
Yeah. She was like, the first couple things he did I liked. Everything
I liked
else,
everything.
Get you back.
Do this one too.
Yeah.
It's like, what do I have to have? 2 arms? Okay, relax your shoulder. Then rotate in and out. There we go. I found it.
Once that was bad.
It's a little easier.
Yeah. Right hand dominance.
Yeah, you can definitely tell your right hand down. So this one.
Your dominance.
There we go. Good job.
Yeah, solid there. Good. Survived.
Yay!
Boom.
job.
Stand up.
Thank
Shake it
you.
out. See how it feels.
Taylor Swift it. Shake it out.
Stand up. Shake it out.
After 5, we
I
dance.
know.
Dance party? Is
After
that is it
After
time?
5, we dance.
It's time for the dance party.
You don't know this one?
We know the dance.
What? You
Wait,
specialize in
I feel like you
that.
taught me
This one?
this before.
I think it's a team effort.
Oh yeah.
I can't do
Like,
that.
I got 2 kids.
Oh,
So
two
this
kids.
is the jam.
This is the jam.
See you, Eileen.
Oh no. Oh no, it's a
Oh,
floss
no, we got
off.
the girl.
Making Dennis proud of
Yeah.
us. 4 to 5 Dennis approve of that dance move.
Okay, I need my upper back though.
Okay.
So.
Ready to get it this time?
Yeah.
The traction?
No, not that one.
It's just
I said no,
Okay,
please.
no.
Oh God. Oh,
Oh, that was a good one.
so good.
Eso. Look up. I'm good there. I'm gonna sit into your shoulders.
Yeah.
Sassy.
That's all she knows how to be.
Oh,
That was a good
you hear that? Vet?
How often is this ideal?
Pull.
To do?
Once a month maybe if you're trying to do tune-ups. Ish.
I would preferably have my upper back popped every day. Preferably.
If you do your rehab.
Rehab, shmehab.
Do your rehab, we ain't gotta do all that.
So me and thanks.
Me and huh?
Me and Yvette were talking about.
Take care. Those are painful spots.
Hold on, I'll tell you.
It's so
Good there.
it's such a difference, especially
Ooh.
this last. Wait, where do I go?
Oh. I can actually move again.
That's like all we can do if you're
That's all I
Deep
want.
breath in.
My turn.
Right.
Breathe out. Nope.
No?
It's worth a
A
shot.
little bit.
So me and Yvette were talking about activewear and how sometimes people say that what I wear to our chiropractic adjustments are not, let's say, appropriate. So I was curious if you could tell the people, what should people wear to a chiropractic adjustment appointment?
Well, I mean, it sort of depends. So in our office, we do a lot of soft tissue work. So we typically want them to wear shorts. If they have a tank top, that works the best too, because we're going to need to get into the soft tissue. So we need to be able to access the shoulder, the armpits, the knees and things like that. So the thing you don't want to wear is business attire, dresses, skirts. If you have multiple layers of shirts, so like men in dress shirts and ties, it's very difficult. We end up getting lotion on their clothes and things like that. So we try to avoid that. Best case scenario is a tank top and shorts, something that's easy, that you feel comfortable in, and that's not going to tear up our tables too, because people come in wearing denim and all kinds of sharp things, and it tears the leather, and these are $2,500 tables. So for us, we want people in, like you said, activewear, something they would wear to the gym, generally speaking. We just want people to be comfortable too. So it sort of depends on the gender and who's in there as well. So like with men, they take their shirts off all the time in here. If women are in here, they're like, hey, should I take my shirt off? I'm like, no, please keep it on. But when they're with the female providers, they tend to get into their sports bras and
their
things like that.
shorts
So we try to match people up gender to gender, so people feel more comfortable, generally speaking.
Okay, cool. Awesome. That's what I wanted to know. Thank you.
You're
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. It was so
Thank you.
so good.
Yay.